What's up guys, it's Dustin with Rabid Bits. I got contacted recently to do us a budget sleeper build, I guess you could call it. I mean, it's going in an old Asus Essentio tower from the mid to late 2000s. So I guess you could call it a sleeper. You'd really never know what was in it. But as for what's in it, that's always what's key. Starting out with the Aorus B450M MATX motherboard, pairing it with a Ryzen 5 3600. Can never go wrong there. Great gaming processor. Our budget was a little limited, but there's still no slouch of a graphics card to begin with. GTX 750 Ti. Still works just fine for everything that this guy wants to play. Stay. 16 gigs, G.Skill Ripjaws 3200 speed, Corsair CX650 80 plus bronze, NVMe from Crucial 500 gigs, Inland Professional 1 terabyte 2.5 inch. I mean, the bones are there. The bones are definitely there. It'll actually be a pretty decent system. Down the line, the guy wants to upgrade a little bit farther. He's a little strapped right now, understandably so with everything going on in the world. But we were able to scrap this together for about the $600 mark. It's kind of hard to argue. But we're going to get to tearing this old tower apart. Show you some bits and pieces of us building it. That was a lot simpler than a lot of other builds. I mean, it took us about an hour actually to strip the parts out of this one, throw all the new components in. As you can see, we're already in BIOS, everything's reading. We're sitting with a 6-core, 16 gigs of RAM. Both hard drives are showing up. I mean, at this point, we're literally just installing Windows and getting everything up to date. That went surprisingly well, and It's a clean looking sleeper build. With that being said, this is Dustin with Rabid Bits. Catch you guys in the next one.